Hey guys, so today we are gonna be doing slime, and my slime is great, but some of it is like terrible. So y'all are gonna see what my slimes are. So y'all ready? And it's on my bare floor because my floor is very clean. It's just some glue stuck to my floor. That's it. First slime is this. It's a store-bought. So let's open it. Ooh, this one's kind of good. Okay, next slime. I'm just gonna grab it random and hopefully it's a good slime. Okay, so I got this yellow green slime. It has a blue chunk in it, if y'all can see that. So it's a jiggly. It's so bright. I don't like this. Look at it. It's slung a piece across my room. Now I'm gonna have to sweep. Wait, what? That's kind of weird. Not something. It's like super cool feeling. So, next slime, it's gonna be random again. Okay, so I got this strawberry ice cream slime. Ooh, it's jiggly. I think I played with this once on my channel. It definitely looks like ice cream. Oh, it's cold. Like super cold. Okay, so it gets all over, so I kind of don't like it. And there's little chunks in it, so definitely not a good thing to buy. I got it for Christmas. They gave me it. It's so weird. Okay, next is a glitter pink slime. Oh my god. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. But look. Next slime, because this slime is terrible. Ouch. Okay, so here it is. That touched my sock. That is so satisfying. Okay, y'all ready, guys? Okay. Oh, and if y'all don't know my name and y'all are new to this channel, my name is Raina because I'm a new YouTuber on YouTube. So just to let y'all know, I think I'm gonna be giving out merches soon, hopefully, because I really want merches for y'all guys. Hopefully I can get some merches. I'm gonna have to ask my mom and my dad and all that if they can order some. I don't know if you have to order them or you just get them automatically. Wait, I'm gonna have to lift this. It's no problem to get a new bag. Okay, this is my ketchup slime. It's kind of like ketchup, but so yeah. I'm gonna put it in this bucket. Yay. Let's put it in this bucket. Okay, so this tiny slime is blue. This is really nice. Oh my god, it stretches super. Ugh, so hard. Okay, I found this one. It has this top, super pretty. And this is a snowflake slime. Super pretty. So pretty. Y'all will probably not be able to see the little beads. So there's some, if y'all can see it, there's some white pearls and some blue pearls. They're super pretty. And this slime, awesome. I really don't want to play with it because it's so great. And it's crystal clear. So, yeah. What? It's not closing? Jesus. I put it on the wrong way. Okay, so we are starting with extra glitter. The slime is amazing. Look at it. It's super glittery in the back. I'm gonna have to be back, guys. So just hang on, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes. I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. Okay guys, are y'all ready? Okay, that's fun. Now it's like an awesome slime. I already know it, so play with it. It's kind of sticky though. It does have green glitter in it. Oh, it's sticky. So I got this activator for Christmas, and I just refilled it with some more activator. Okay, just need a couple drops, which would be 2 because that's perfect amount for this slime. So satisfying. Oh, perfect bubble. There was a bigger slime that couldn't even do this because it was kind of bad. That's it on my school clothes. So this was a lot of activator for this slime, but just in case this slime is really sticky, I'm just gonna grab a slime that's really sticky. What slime is really sticky? Okay, so guys, I'm not gonna be playing with this because I already know how it feels. No, that's not gonna touch my floor. Like, why would it? I was just showing y'all it because that was so gross. And it's slopping out. It's slipping out. That's disgusting. I'm definitely giving this away. So, it's a glow slime. It's super hard. It won't even strike. I'm really strong. Look. It's so hard. It's like a rock. Like, look. So, yeah. Okay, so this slime is blue and it's clear. Oh, Cardi B. Okay, so this is a crunchy slime, like a bunch of bees. I'll show you when I stretch it. Ow! Did I cut myself? Guys, I'm gonna have to go get Billy. Mom! The light is coming to give back Okay guys, so I didn't get a band-aid, but I cut my whole finger open. It doesn't really hurt that bad because I can suck it up, but this is slime. It's so crunchy that I can barely stretch. Oopsies. That's really disgusting. Look how crunchy this is, guys. Yes, that's from today. Just to see there's an O. There's an M. Okay. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure to hit that subscribe button and give a big fat thumbs up. So if y'all like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell, which is down there. And if you want to comment, there's something that is called down below. And you hit that and you start typing. But if it doesn't let you, don't make it. You don't have to comment me. But it's alright if you do. Bye guys!